Oh my god. Going in hot. Okay, slow down now. Oh. Oh. Hello again, guys. I'm on the mountain coaster at Camelback Resorts. I just knew there was a mountain coaster here and I'm very excited about it. I just went down it. I'm going down again. It was really fun. It was insanely fast. Like, I've been on the one at Greek Peak, but it's been a really long time. So I remember that it seemed really fast, but it was my first mountain coaster ever. So I guess I didn't realize how fast they go, but you control your own speed. So I was like, oh, well, this will be, easy. Just control your own speed. Just la-di-da down the mountain. This one's really fast. There's like a spiral thing at the end. I don't think that I accelerated on purpose. I mean, at the very top where they're like, okay, push down, you're about to go. I'm like, okay. And I pushed down, took off, and it was bonker. Yeah, I'm going again because I didn't die the first time. So it's gotta be good, right? But okay, so let's do this again. Let's make the same mistake twice. All right, thanks.
Okay.
Oh my God. Down now. Okay.